Hello, everybody. What a nice day. I am your host and everybody's favorites, Jailbima Rotains. This is me right here. And then today, here is every single plushie that I have for right now. So this guy right here, we have Ovabot. And then we got me right here, Black Peerama right here. And then we have Fork Knights Police, like that. And then here we have Looster, just like that. Friendba, Mr. Midnight, Pearsman, AAB, Reaper Boys Stay Pickle, Mad Sunrise, Mr. Drip X, here he is right here, and then Peerama, and then here we have ZZTA, so AAB and ZZTA right here, and then my pet bird, Glooburg. This is what she looks like right here. So there's all the plushies, ZZTA, Mad Sunrise, Reaper Boys Stay Pickle, AAB, Mr. Midnight, and everybody else. Black Peerama, and then Jailbima Rotains. Jailbima. In today's video, we got this package right here. And then let me open it up real quick and I'm gonna show you guys. And then wait, hang on. I'll give you guys a few seconds right here. Who do you think this is right here? What's this guy's name right here? I'll give you a few seconds. I'll give you a hint. It's not my pet bird, Glooburg. So, who do you think this is? Do you think it's my pet dog, Dago Dog? Or do you think this is my pet turtle, Turtmail? So I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's... there is Turtmail. There he is right here. Amazing looking. So, there's Turtmail, my pet turtle, like that. So, now I finally have Glooburg and Turtmail. So, basically, just need one more pet, Dago Dog, made as a plush next, and then I got all my pets. 3 pets. So, there's Glooburg, and let me show off Turtmail real quick here. There he is right here. Turtmail, my pet turtle. Like that. They did a good job. So, if you like this video, share this with everybody that you know, every single person that you know. Tell them to subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of April or early May or something like that. And then 300 subscribers pretty soon as well. Probably around May. So, this is Jailbima Rotains signing up. Turtmail. Yeah. Goodbye. Haha.